Hello everyone, today's video is about how to connect your Facebook or Instagram account with GoHighLevel, which will help you to manage all of your Facebook, Instagram and GoHighLevel conversations in one place. This will not only save your time but will make your communication more efficient, especially if you are using our GoHighLevel app on your mobile device. So for that, you will go to sub account where you want to connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts with GoHighLevel. Then you will go to settings and then go to integrations. And here you will click on this Facebook and Instagram connect button. But before you hit the connect button, make sure that your Facebook and Instagram are connected, because as Facebook and Instagram are owned by the same company, so they share the same API. And when Facebook and Instagram will be connected, it will allow you to manage both platforms together. And once you connect your Instagram with Facebook, then you will click on this connect button. And next you will provide your login details, and this will automatically connect your Facebook and Instagram with GoHighLevel. And once you connect your Facebook and Instagram with GoHighLevel, then you will go back to conversations. And here GoHighLevel will automatically bring in all of your messages from your Facebook account and Instagram account, and then you will be able to see and manage all of your conversations directly in GoHighLevel. Even if it's Facebook, Instagram or GoHighLevel, all of these conversations will be under one roof, and that will be here. And then you will definitely never miss any of important message from any of your online platform. And that's it. So this is how you will connect your Facebook and Instagram with GoHighLevel. You can save this playlist for free online complete GoHighLevel course. And if you have any queries about GoHighLevel, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.